Hello and welcome to the classroom. Um, no, okay, so hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we've got clay, air dry clay, and we're going to be making some really fun air dry DIY projects. Because if you don't know this, I'm moving into my office studio room upstairs soon, and I need some accessories just to make it feel more like mine and my space. So that's what we're doing. We're going to be adding some of our own homemade accessories. And low-key, I do really love the look of handmade objects. So here we are. We have the countertop all cling film, so we don't ruin the I don't know if it's granite or quartz, or I don't even know what it is, but so we don't ruin it. Even though I think this kind of material is okay for doing clay on, because it's easy to clean, and it's natural stone. But I'm just going to be safe, because otherwise, if this countertop gets ruined, I will be actually murdered. So yeah. But without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so I have done up some sketches for this because I'm so prepared and so organized. These are the ideas I'm thinking of. Now, this whole video idea came about because I was watching Liz Benson's channel. She done a DIY mid-century kind of DIYs, and she done candlesticks that were used done using air dry clay, and I was like, oh my god, that's such a good idea. I didn't even think about that, because I'm just okay, I'll just go buy it myself. But that's where the idea came from. I just need to change this chair because this one's creaking and it's gonna really annoy me. Okay, so but going off that, I do want to try to do them candlesticks myself. Now, whether or not they're going to be successful, I don't know, but I do really want to try. First of all, I want to try to do a vase, because I love flowers. I don't know if you know this or not, but I love flowers, and I love getting my flowers from a site called Berries in Grey. It's an English company. They're my favorite place to get faux flowers, because I mean, let's be realistic, I can't keep any flowers alive, so there's that. So let's get this party started. Oh my god, okay. Okay, yay, it's open. Okay, so I know that clay is supposed to be really good for your hands and stuff like that, but I'm just not about that life today. So I will be using gloves just because I want to, and also I have a cut on my finger, so I don't fancy getting clay into it. So basically my idea behind this is I'm going to roll this out lengthways and then cut it in yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. God, this is a workout. I'm already breaking a sweat. This is so much work. Oh my god. Okay, at least we have a standing. That's all that matters. Oh my god, you guys, I just had the best idea. Wait there. I'll use a pint glass, to hold it up in place. Genius. Genius. Genie. Ah, no, it's, oh no. Oh no. Ah, okay. Put it down. Okay guys, this is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. I honestly have a newfound respect for pottery makers, because me, this is not, this is not easy. This is not, okay. You know what, whatever shape this decides to take, we're just gonna own it, okay? We're just gonna own it. Okay, I think this is a good idea, yeah. Guys, okay, we're making progress, yay. Okay, so honestly, I'm kind of liking how this looks, to be honest. I know it's very vain to admire your own creation like this, but hello, haven't really done this before, so I am gonna be proud of it. I mean, honestly, I kind of think that's cute, to be honest. Like, not going to lie, I do kind of like this. So I'm just gonna roll this one out like I did that one, because the next ones we're doing are very simple as well. Oh my god, this is definitely gonna stay in the countertop and Mom's gonna kill me. It's fine. We'll just continue on like nothing's happened. Okay, so it's going to be our little candlestick. Whether or not a candle is going to be able to fit into it, that's another story for another day. But we're still going to try to make it work. Okay, all right. Honestly, clay is no joke. I mean, I'm sorry, like, I don't think I'll ever do this again. It seems a lot easier than it actually is. Like, honestly, this is very difficult. I am actually on the verge of having like a mental breakdown. I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun. Let me see. Like, let me just make this like quirky, because like it's not going to be anything else. This is so bad. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, right. Well, you know what? We're gonna call this one a quit. Because like, don't know what else you'd do with that, honestly. Like, okay, that actually looks kind of cute, not gonna lie. I mean, it does look very like graphic, but I think it shrinks. So, you know, I'm just gonna leave it there for good fun, just as a memory, you know, so that we look at our successful ones. We can look back at that one and say, you know, well, we tried. Okay, so I mean, it does look like kind of a mess at the minute, but like, it's all gonna be okay. Okay, I mean, no, okay, no. No. I mean, will this pint glass come out? Oh, I'm gonna have to smash this pint glass. Okay, I made a mistake. I made a huge mistake, you guys. I made a huge mistake, okay. Shut, no! Oh, I'm gonna have to stab through to get the pint glass out. Typical me there, thinking like I've made something amazing, and then for this to happen. Okay, come on, like, don't do this to me. Let's just like, let's be friends. Let's not like ruin my life. Stand her back up. I mean, honestly, I'm not having fun right now. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, you know what, like, I think I am starting to bring it back around to like being okay again. I mean, it is a job and a half, like, but like, I do think I'm getting this to work. If anyone in like is watching this who is like an expert at like, you know, clay and ceramics and stuff, can you like honestly like let me know like how to actually do this properly? Because I'd like to know that. I will actually smash you on the floor if you don't off your shit. Oh my, what the f is that? This all took so long to dry. I thought like, oh, overnight, it'll dry overnight. No. Let me tell you, it took 3 days and it's not even fully dry yet. So like, what kind of air dry clay is this? Das, can you answer me, what kind of clay is this? Because it took 3 days and it's not even dry yet, so. So these are bookends. So there's like two. There's like a gold one. Like a gold one is the small one, and the white one is the bigger one. So I thought these would look really cute, like on a shelf, like, or also like just like on like a table or something, just as like a sculptural piece. I actually really like these ones, and these are the easiest to make, and they look the best, and they like go together like really nicely. I love these. Okay, I mean, I think these are a success. Like, I mean, honestly, I'm gonna keep these forever, I'd say. Like, so get the clay and just cut a semicircle, and you're good. I mean, it's an expensive set of meats. Actually, no, it's not. The clay was only like €4, so like, I mean, I really hope you enjoyed this. Like, if you're gonna try this, please like tag me on Instagram, because I'd love to see what you create. Or if you have YouTube and you make on your YouTube channel, let me know so I can go watch it and see what you make. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.